Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Virtualbox installed, extension pack added, and the Ubuntu ISO downloaded. Open Virtualbox and click New to create a VM, name it and choose Linux right arrow Ubuntu so settings default correctly. Set type and version deliberately because that picks the right kernel support. Allocate memory now, don't overcommit, use 24 GB for desktop, 1 GB for server. Create a virtual hard disk, VDI dynamically allocated, and set the size you planned. Once the VM exists, open settings to finish hardware configuration. In System, set boot order, disable floppy, enable I/O APIC and choose chipset. Add CPUs and processor tab but keep within host limits. In Storage, attach the Ubuntu ISO to the optical drive and confirm SATA controller is used. In Display, raise video memory for GUI. For Network, pick NAT for simplicity or Bridged for LAN access. Enable Adapter 2 only if you need host only. Save and start the VM to boot the installer. You run the Ubuntu installer and proceed through language, keyboard, updates, and installation type. Choose guided partitioning for simplicity, unless you need custom layouts. After first boot, install Virtualbox Guest Editions from devices right arrow insert Guest Editions CD image to enable clipboard sharing, and dynamic resolution. If something fails, check Virtualbox logs and demesc inside the VM. Make sure virtualization, VTX/AMDV, is enabled in host BIOS. Switch
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.